So I was able to come up with kind of a little solution about how a quicker way to kind of do this. And so I wanted to reach out to you and see if this might be something you're interested in doing a bit quicker. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and actually go to Property Radar. You'll log in. And then what you'll actually do is, like, for example, this is the new code violation list that I'm going to give to you really soon. But you'll just enter this address right here. It's in Woodside. You'll put that in Woodside. You'll look it up. You'll go in, and then you will actually add this to a list, right? So then you'll create a list called SF Metro Woodside code violation, right? Or we'll just call it CV for code violation. And then you'll just add that person, right? So my list. And now if you go back to my list, there should be a CV code violation. Right here, see? SF Metro Woodside CV. So that's all you want to do. You don't even want to take this information and put it into a separate Excel spreadsheet. You just want to find them. Like, for example, the next one is 125 Grandview Ave or Drive. You just want to find them. So go back, discover or look up, site property, pull it up, look up, pull this, and then you just, the exact same thing. You just want to add SF Woodside, add that, oh, no, just the Woodside, and that's it. And then you go back to the lists, my lists, and now we have two. So you can kind of do this over and over again when you're creating these new lists. Instead of having to move from one to the other, you literally just add them to this list, and then it'll kind of expedite your process to do things a bit quicker. Does that make sense? Hopefully that was a little bit helpful for you. I want you to finish up the Pleasanton one that you're already working on, but moving forward for these new lists I'm going to be giving you, you can kind of implement this process so things go a bit quicker. And then I'll also let you know about my expectations about what I expect, because I feel like things are taking a little bit too much time right now for the hours that we're giving you. So I'll set those expectations for you as well.